अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू स्मार्ट स्टडी विद तबू। डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में कवर करने वाले हैं 20 टॉपिक वाइज सेक्शंस, आंसर शॉर्ट एक्सप्लेनेशंस, सेल बायोलॉजी 150 एमसीक्यूज होंगे। कंप्लीट बायोलॉजी के जो 20 चैप्टर हैं टॉपिक वाइज इसी एक वीडियो में आपकी कवर करवाए जाएंगे। डियर फ्रेंड्स, ये कंप्लीट कंटेंट है जो आज की वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे। इसका आप चाहें तो हम स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हैं। टोटल 20 पार्ट्स हैं। फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको टॉपिक के नेम भी बताती जा रही हूँ साथ, ताकि आपको इजी हो जाए। सेल थ्योरी एंड बेसिक सेल स्ट्रक्चर, सेल वॉल, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, न्यूक्लियस एंड क्रोमेटिन, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, क्लोरोप्लास्ट, प्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, गोल्गी apparatus, राइबोसोम्स, लाइसोसोम्स, साइटोस्केलेटन, क्रोमोसोम, सेल साइकिल, माइटोसिस, मेयोसिस एंड सेल कम्युनिकेशन, membrane transport, cell differentiation, advanced cell biology and high yield conceptual MCQs. ओके डियर फ्रेंड्स, सो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी वीडियो के सारे MCQs कवर करते हैं। ये बुकलेट हमारा टॉपिक वाइज बनाया गया है। ओके डियर फ्रेंड्स, ये आपको बायोलॉजी में बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल रहेगा। फर्स्ट पार्ट है हमारा सेल थ्योरी एंड बेसिक सेल स्ट्रक्चर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु फर्स्ट coined the term cell? Robert Hooke. B is the correct answer. Robert Hooke observed Koch cells in 1665 and coined the cell. Question number 2. The cell theory was proposed by. B is the right option. Skelton and Sakwan. Skelton proposed the plant cell and Sakwan extend the idea of animal. Question number 3. All cells arise from pre-existing cells was proposed by Verco. Right option. Verco ने pre-existing cells को अराइज किया, यानी कि जो नए सेल्स होते हैं वो पहले वाले सेल्स से बनते हैं। रिटर्न विचू स्टेटेड omni cellular e cellular. Question number 4. Which scientific first observed living or microorganism? B is the right option. Leeuwenhoek. Leeuwenhoek observed bacteria and protozoa using simple microscopes. Question number 5. The basic structural and functional unit of life is the correct option. Cell. Cell are fundamental units from which organisms are built. Question number 6. Which structure is absent in prokaryotic cell? So C is the right option. Membrane bound nucleus is absent in prokaryotic cell. Explanation. Prokaryotes lack a membrane bound nucleus. Question number 7. Which organism is prokaryotic? Bacterium are prokaryotic. Bacteria are prokaryotes. Question number 8. Eukaryotic cell characteristically possesses. B is the right option. Membrane bound organ. Eukaryotic contain organelles such as nucleus, mitochondria, and endoplasmic reticulum. Part 2, cell wall. The major component of the plant cell wall is. B is the right option. Cellulose. Cellulose is the major structural polysaccharide of plant cell wall. Question number 10. The middle lamella is mainly composed of. lamella किस पोर्शन को कहा जाता है रेफरेंस? इस पोर्शन को कहा जाता है जो लीफ का ये वाला पोर्शन होता है, इसे lamella का. B is the right option. Calcium pactic substance cement adjacent plant cells together. Question number 11. The primary cell wall is generally. B is the right option. Thin and flexible. Primary cell wall permits cell growth. Question number 12. Secondary cell wall commonly contain large amount of. Is the right option. Lignin. Lignification provides strength and rigidity. Question number 13. Plasmodesmata is connected cytoplasm of adjacent plants. B is the right option. Plasmodesmata allow communication and transport between plants. Question number 14. Which cell wall component provides mechanical strength? A is the right option. Lignin. Lignin strengthens secondary cell walls. Part 3. Plasma membrane. Question number 15. The modern model of plasma membrane structure is. B is the right option. Fluid mosaic model. Singer and Nicholson proposed the fluid mosaic model in 1972. Question number 16. The major structural molecules of plasma membrane are. A is the right option. Lipids and protein. The membrane consists mainly of phospholipids bilayer with proteins. Question number 17. Phospholipids molecules. C is the right option. Amphipathic. They contain hydrophilic heads and hydrophobic tails. Question number 18. The hydrophobic region of phospholipid consists of mainly. B is the correct answer. Fatty acid cells. Hydrophobic region of phospholipid consists mainly of fatty acid cells. Question number 19. Selective permeability means that the membrane. C is the right option. Control movement of substance. Question number 20. Cholesterol in animal cell membrane mainly helps regulate. B is the right option. Membrane fluidity. Question number 21. Movement of molecules from higher to lower concentration is B. Diffusion is the right option. Question number 22. Osmosis refers specifically to movement of water. B is the right option. Question number 23. Vacillated diffusion requires B is the right option. Membrane protein. Question number 24. Active transport directly requires option A. ATP or another energy. Part 4. Nucleus and chromatin. Question number 25. The nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. A is the right option. Question number 26. The nuclear envelope generally consists of two membranes. B is the right option. Question number 27. Nuclear pores allow controlled exchange between nucleus and cytoplasm. A is the right option. Question number 28. The nucleus is primarily involved in B is the right option. Ribosome biogenesis. Question number 29. Chromatin is composed primarily of A is the right option. DNA and proteins. Question number 30. Euchromatin is generally B is the right option. Less condensed and transcriptionally active. Question number 31. Heterochromatin is generally A is the right option. Highly condensed. Question number 32. Histone proteins are associated with A is the right option. DNA packaging. Part 5. Mitochondria. Question number 33. Mitochondria are primarily responsible for cellular respiration. B is the right option. Question number 34. The inner membrane of mitochondria forms B is the right option. Chemistry. Question number 35. The mitochondrial matrix contains B is the right option. Enzymes, DNA, and ribosome. Question number 36. ATP synthesis in mitochondria mainly occurs through A is the right option. Oxidative phosphorylation. Question number 37. Mitochondria are called semi-autonomous because they have their own DNA and ribosome. A is the right option. Question number 38. The mitochondrial inner membrane contains A is the right option. Electron transport change components. Question number 39. Chemistry increase surface area of inner mitochondrial membrane. B is the right option. Part 6. Chloroplast. Question number 40. Chloroplasts are the major organelle photosynthesis. B is the right option. Question number 41. Chloroplasts contain in chlorophyll 2. A is the right option. Question number 42. The stack of hyalocoid are called B is the right option. Grana. Question number 43. The fluid surrounding grana is B is the right option. Stroma. Question number 44. Light independent reaction occurs mainly. B is the right option. Thylakoid membrane. Question number 45. Calvin cycle occurs in A is the right option. Stroma. Question number 46. Chloroplast DNA is generally A is the right option. Circular. Question number 47. Photosystem 2 is associated with water splitting. A is the right option. Question number 48. Oxygen released during photosynthesis originates primary forms. B is the right option. H2O water. Part 7. Endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 49. Rough ER endoplasmic reticulum is characterized by B is the right option. Ribosome. Question number 50. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is mainly involved in synthesis of A is the right option. Secretory and membrane protein. Question number 51. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum particularly involved A is the right option. Lipid synthesis. Question number 52. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum also plays an important role. A is the right option. Detoxification. Question number 53. Ribosomes are attached. Endoplasmic reticulum are located. A is the right option. Cytosolic surface. Part 8. Golgi apparatus. Question number 54. Golgi apparatus is mainly involved in modification and sorting of protein. A is the right option. Question number 55. The flattened sacs of Golgi apparatus are called B is the right option. Cisternae. Question number 56. The receiving face of Golgi. B is the right option. Kiss face. Cis face. Question number 57. The shipping face of Golgi. B is the right option. Transphase. Question number 58. Golgi apparatus is important information of A is the right option. Secretory vessels. Part 9. Ribosomes. Question number 59. Ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis. A is the right option. Question number 60. Cytoplasmic eukaryotic ribosomes are ATX and cytoplasmic eukaryotic prokaryotic ribosomes are 78 होते हैं प्रोकैरियोट्स में और यूकैरियोट्स में 88. Question number 61. Prokaryotic ribosomes 78. Question number 62. The eukaryotic 80X ribosomes consist of 60X plus 40X is equal to 80S. A is the right option. Question number 63. The bacterial 70S ribosomes consist of B is the right option. 50S plus 30S. Next part is lysosomes. Question number 64. Lysosomes contain. Question number 64. Lysosomes contain. A is the right option. Hydrolytic enzyme. Question number 64. 65. Lysosomes are involved in intracellular digestion. A is the right option. Question number 66. Lysosomal enzymes work optimally in acidic conditions. Is the right option. Question number 67. Digestion of damaged cellular component by lysosome is called. A is the right option. Autophagy. Phagy means to eat. Auto means automatically to eat. अपने आप को खा जाना, इसीलिए लाइसोसोम्स को सुसाइडल बैग भी कहा जाता है. सुसाइडल बैग ऑफ सेल भी कहा जाता है, ऑटोफेगी भी कहा जाता है. पार्ट 11 is cytoskeleton. Question number 68. The cytoskeleton is the right option. Structural and support organization. Question number 69. Microtubules are composed mainly of tubulin. A is the right option. Question number 70. Microfilaments are primarily composed of actin. A is the right option. Question number 71. Intermediate filament mainly provided by mechanical strand. A is the right option. Question number 72. Spindle fibers during cell division are mainly microtubules. A is the right option. Part 12 is chromosomes. Question number 73. A chromosome primarily consists of DNA and proteins. A is the right option. Question number 74. The constricted region of chromosome is called centromere. A is the right. Question number 75. The end of chromosome are called telomere. So right option is B, telomeres. Question number 76. Sister chromatids are joined. Centromere. A is the right option. Question number 77. A nucleosome consists of DNA wrapped around histone protein. So A is the right option. Question number 78. The basic unit of chromatin organization is nucleosome. A is the right option. Part 13 is cell cycle. Question number 79. The cell cycle consists of mainly interphase or metaphase. A is the right option. Question number 80. DNA replication occurs during. B is the right option. Synthesis phase. Question number 81. Cell growth and normal metabolic activity mainly occurs during G1 phase. A is the right option. Question number 82. Preparation of mitosis occurs mainly during G2 phase. B. A is the right option. Question number 83. The phase in which chromosomes are separated. A is the right option. M phase. Question number 84. Cell that permanently leaves the cell cycle enters G0 phase. A is the right option. Part 14 is mitosis. Question number 85. Mitosis generally produce two genetically similar daughter cells. Option A is the right option. Question number 86. Chromosome first become visible condensed during. Option A, prophase. Question number 87. Chromosome aligned at the equatorial plate during. B is the right option, metaphase. Question number 88. Sister chromatids separate during anaphase. C is the right option. Question number 89. Nuclear envelopes reforms during. B is the right option, telophase. Question number 90. Cytoplasmic division is called. C is the right option, cytokinesis. Question number 91. In plant cells, cytokinesis occurs mainly through formation of. B is the right option, cell plate. Question number 92. Mitosis is important. Growth and tissue repair. A is the right option. Part 15 is meiosis. Question number 93. Meiosis generally produce. For haploid cells, B is the right option. Question number 94. Meiosis is also known as. B is the right option, reduction division. Question number 95. Homologous chromosomes pair during. A is the right option, prophase 1. Question number 96. Pairing of homologous chromosomes is called. A is the right option, synapses. Question number 97. Crossing over occurs during. Prophase 1. A is the right option. Question number 98. Crossing over occur between. B is the right option. Non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. Question number 99. The visible point of crossing over is called. Question number 99. The visible point of crossing over is called. B is the right option. Jisme. Number 100. Homologous chromosomes separate during anaphase 1. A is the right. 101. Sister chromatids separate during anaphase 2. B is the right. 102. DNA replication occurs. A is the right option before meiosis 1. Question number 103. Genetic variation in meiosis is promoted. A is the right option. Crossing over and independent assortment. Question number 104. Meiosis is essential for maintaining. A is the right option. Constant chromosome number across generation. Part number 16. Cell communication. 105. Cell signaling allows cell to communicate with each other. Cell signaling allows cells to communicate with each other. 106 question is, a signaling molecule is often A is the right option, ligand. 107, a receptor primarily. A is the right option, recognize the signaling molecule. Question number 108, second messengers include. A is the right option, CAMP. 109, hormones are example of. A is the right option, signaling molecule. Part 17 is membrane transport. Question number 110. Transport that does not require metabolic energy is passive transport. A is the right option. Question number 11. Moment down concentration gradient is A is the right option. Passive transport. Question number 112. Moment against concentration gradients required. A is the right option. Energy. Question number 113. Sodium potassium pumps example. A is the right option. Active transport. Question number 114. Endocytosis involved. A is the right option, taking material into the cell. Question number 115. Exocytes involved. A is the right option, release of material from the cell. Question number 116. Phagocytosis is commonly described as cell eating. A is the right option. Question number 117. Pinocytosis is commonly described as cell drinking. A is the right option. Question number 118. Aquaporins facilitate movement of. A is the right option, water. Question number 119. A cell placed in a hypertonic solution is the right option, loses water. Question number 120. A cell placed in hypertonic solution gains water is the right option. Question number 121 is an isotonic solution. A is the right option. There is no net movement of water. Question number 122. Plasmolysis in plant cells occurs when the cell are placed. A is the right option. Hypertonic solution. Part 18. Cell differentiation. Question number 123. Cell differentiation means A is the right option. Cell become specialized. Question number 124. Plant mesosomatic cells are characterized by A is the right option. Active cell division. Question number 125. Cell differentiation is largely controlled by A is the right option. Differential gene expression. Question number 126. Totipotency refers to the ability of plant cells to A is the right option. Develop into a complete plant under suitable conditions. Part 19 is advanced and parallel. Question number 127. Programmed cells death is A is the right option. Apoptosis. Question number 128. Uncontrolled cell death due to injury is generally called A is the right option. Necrosis. Question number 129. Centrosomes are important in A is the right option. Microtubules organization. Question number 130. Peroxisomes are associated with A is the right option. Oxidative reaction. Question number 130. Hydrogen peroxide is broken down by A is the right option. Catalyst. Question number 132. Peroxisomes are especially important in plants for A is the right option. Photorespiration. Question number 133. Vacuoles in mature plant cells are important for A is the right option. Storage and maintenance of turgor pressure. Question number 134. The membrane surrounding a vacuole is called A is the right option. Tonoplast. Number 135. The central vacuole is especially prominent in A is the right option. Plant cells. Question number 136. Part 20. High yield conceptual MCQs. Which organelle has its own DNA? B is the right option. Mitochondria. Question number 137. Which pair contains semi-autonomous organelles? B is the right option. Mitochondria and chloroplast. Question number 138. Which organelle is directly involved in protein synthesis? A is the right option. Ribosome. Question number 139. Which organelle modified and packaged? A is the right option. Golgi apparatus. Question number 140. Which organelle is the powerhouse of cell? Mitochondria. B is the right option. Number 141. Which structure control most cellular activities in eukaryotic cells? A is the right option. Nucleus. 142. Which organelle is directly associated with photosynthesis? A is the right option. Chloroplast. Number 143. Which structure is characteristic of plant cells? A is the right option. Plant cell wall. Question number 144. Which structure connects neighboring plant cells? A is the right option. Plasmodesmata. Number 145. Which process directly reduces chromosomes numbers by half? B is the right option. Meiosis. Question number 146. Genetic recombination during meiosis is strongly associated with A is the right option. Crossing over. Number 147. Which organelle contains hydrolytic enzyme? A is the right option. Lysosome. 148. Which organelle is mainly involved in lipid synthesis? Is the right option. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. 149. Which structure is selectively permeable? A is the right option. Plasma membrane. Number 150. Which statement best describes the fluid mosaic model? So B is the right option. Proteins are embedded in a fluid lipid bilayer. Okay dear friends, आज के लिए इतना ही। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। जब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें, दुआ में याद रखें। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर करें। अल्लाह हाफिज।